Good morning. All right, so 7:59. Today I am going to be talking during the Zoom. People come in, people may come out, no one may visit, but we're going to do this Zoom. I'm going to walk through what I'm going to be expecting of you this week. We are beginning a new unit. We're starting geometry, which I enjoy geometry. Some people are a little iffy about geometry, but I enjoy geometry. I enjoy the shapes. So, what you're going to do, one thing you're going to be doing is you're going to be introduced to the vocabulary. Okay. You don't have to go here. Remember, you're going to go to my assignments. You're going to go to assignments up here. And then, oops, I forgot. You can't see me. You can see me. You can't see my screen. I forgot to share. 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 There we go. So remember, you're not gonna click on any of these. You're gonna go to assignments, and then you would click my assignments. And when you do that, you should see a new one pop up that was created today. Now, if you don't, here's why you probably don't see it. You have not joined the new class, and the new class is called 7th grade Reg 1920. And remember, I sent you, if you haven't joined, I sent you a direct message. It was a whole bunch of people in there. I sent you a direct message with the code to join. I also sent the link on the video to watch so you can see how to join. So if you haven't joined, do that. Because if you don't join, you won't get the assignments won't be assigned to you. So I need you to join that for me. All right. So like I said, here's your assignment. And so if you click on it, you will see, you click on the assignment, you should see these directions. Time to begin a new unit. You will have a vocabulary quiz beginning Wednesday, 4/8, because today is the 6th. Yes, today is the 6th. So you'll have a vocabulary quiz beginning Wednesday, 4/8. Please study these words. On another sheet of paper, you don't have to copy this out. If you have access to a printer and that is what you choose to do, I still don't want you to copy it out. I still want you to write it out. Okay, write it out. And I'll say this: if you're gonna copy it out, you still need to write it out on a piece of paper. Okay, so regardless, I'm gonna get a picture of your work on a piece of paper with those vocabulary words. Okay, for the unit. Remember, you have a whole week to do this stuff. So on another sheet of paper, do not print out a copy, write out these words and draw a picture to represent it. When you are complete, take a picture and upload it to Edsby. So I'm going to create an assignment post on Edsby for you to be able to upload it for that assignment. Okay, this is all new. Be patient. We're going to walk through this. Okay, you probably hear my dogs. Good morning. All right, so what does this assignment look like for you guys? So this is the unit vocabulary. You got 23 vocabulary words this time. Remember, sometimes we get units, there's only a few vocabulary words. Well, now we're in geometry, we're reviewing some stuff, we have more vocabulary words. So what I'm gonna do on my piece of paper, first off, my name. I need to see your name. I still need the heading the same way. So this is without the scribble. Your name, Math 7, Unit 8, vocabulary words. And then you're going to work on these vocabulary words. I'm going to take my paper. Oh, yeah, I don't want to. There we go. You can even read. Read my pajamas now. Wake me for the weekend. Thank you. Okay. So I would say the easiest way to do this is going to be to fold your paper into 3 sections. Gonna be the easiest way to do this, all right? 3 sections. I'm gonna start with the first word. The first word is adjacent angles. Okay. As you notice, this section is a little small right here. This one. So for the purpose of this, I'm gonna write past the red line. So I wrote my word, adjacent angles. I'm gonna write the definition. 2 angles that share a ray. Array, what is that? Guess what? You're gonna learn what it is, right? We're gonna be learning what it is. So look, I wrote my definition. 2 angles that share a ray. And now I'm gonna draw that. Now, I'm gonna give you this one because I know you don't know what that is. So before I draw it, I drew a line straight across. You see my line? I drew a line underneath straight across. Miss George is sending me a message. And probably the easiest way in my mind, adjacent means next to. So I need 2 angles that are next to each other. So I'm gonna draw like a corner. I'm gonna put arrows on the end. Okay. Then I'm gonna draw an arrow coming out the center. Drew a corner, arrow drawing out the center. Those are adjacent angles. They're next to each other, okay? And then I will go down to the next one. Angle is my next word. Angle, okay? And then I'm gonna write the definition. A figure formed by 2 rays with a common endpoint. Okay. I wrote it, a figure formed by 2 rays with a common endpoint. Okay, you gotta look at my little bitty picture to see what I wrote if you want. Now, I'm gonna draw an angle. You guys know what an angle is, so I'm just gonna draw an angle. Make my angle tiny. A figure formed by 2 rays. I got 2 rays. If you didn't know what a ray was, I got 2 of them. Ray, that's a ray, and that's a ray. With a common endpoint, which is that it's a vertex, which you'll learn as you keep going. Okay. If you need to write the definitions first, so maybe you just want to go through and you're gonna write all the definitions out and then go back and draw a picture, that's fine because this is gonna take all week, okay? So that's the first thing you're being assigned, and this might be an ongoing assignment, but your job this week, I want the words, I want the definitions. We will work on the pictures, but due this week, you need to send me by Friday that you wrote all the words and you have all the definitions. So last week, you did not have to work on, you didn't have to work on anything on paper. This week, we're gonna do some paper stuff, okay? But I'm still, as you see, it's still gonna be in EdGems under your assignments. There's nothing extra. You don't have to figure out anything extra. You don't have to do any extra work. So on another sheet of paper, you still need paper. Please let me know if you don't have, I know many of you probably had paper at home because you weren't bringing it to school. But if you really are low on supplies, you don't have any paper or anything, send me a message so we can try to figure out how to get you the resources that you need. But I got some paper, I found some, okay? So on another sheet of paper, I'm gonna again put my name on it. Here we go. So I am Miss Robinson. Oh, You know what I forgot to put on this paper? Guess what I forgot to put? If you can send me a message and tell me what I forgot to put, I will give you 3 house points. What did I forget to put on here? There you go. That's what I want your heading to look like. And so if I look at this, oh, there, my spotlight is working. All right, so if I look at this, you're gonna have to do this on paper, but I haven't taught you anything yet, so it's totally okay. You're gonna be doing this on paper, and it looks like you have 9 problems, okay? So you'll do these 9 problems on paper. You can't shade in the box, so what I want you to do is you're gonna draw the picture that you see, and then you're gonna write what it is, okay? So for instance, I'm just showing you how to do your work first. I haven't taught you how to do this yet, but this is what I'm gonna expect of your work. Number 1, I'm gonna draw the picture. I wanna make it look as close to this as possible. I'm gonna tell you right now, I did not do a good job with my arrows because I was rushing just a little, but I drew a picture. And now I have to say if it's complementary, supplementary, or neither, okay? And what you're about to learn is what is complementary, what is supplementary. I'm about to teach that to you right now, all right? That's what you're gonna do for 1 through 4. And then for 5 through 9, well, I'm sorry, 5 through 8, what you're gonna do is you have to write an equation and then solve for the variable, okay? So that's what you're gonna be doing for that. So let's get into this lesson.